Hi children, how are you? Hope you all are playing at home, right? Okay. It's time for you to educate. Let me to start my session for today's. Shall we start our session? Okay, today's session is all about English, that is poem. Shall we start the poem? What is that? Yes, here is my poem is ready. Yeah. It's a poem about a friend. Already we have mm in the last session we have been seeing that what is that sharing is caring, all about two friends, that is Anya and Pia. Did you forget that? No. Okay, fine. So here is also a kind of poem is all about a friends. Why we need friends? Yes, we need friends to play, to study, whenever we feel sad now, if friends are there, we used to feel happy, right? How many of you like friends? I too like friends very much, right? Okay, we all love to have friends. So here is also a beautiful poem about a friendship, and let us see that. And the poem name is "I Can Be a Pal." Pal means here meaning is friend, a friend. Okay, it was written by poet Kristen Smith. Who is the poet? Kristen Smith. Shall I recite the poem for you? Yes. I can be a Paul by smiling at you. I can be a Paul when you feel blue. Here, blue in the sense in a bad situation. What he is telling, I can be a Paul by smiling at you. He is smiling at her friend. At you, I can be a Paul when you feel blue. When she is feeling blue means in a bad situation. When she is feeling in a bad situation, so he is telling that at that time I will be a friend for you. And next, I can be a Paul who is honest and kind. I can be a Paul who is honest and kind. And I can be a Paul when you are in a blind. Blind means whatever, what to do, she don't know. At that time, he will be a friend to her. Here, one girl is feeling sad. She is feeling sad. So that's why her friend is telling that I will be a friend for you. At what situation? When you are feeling alone, when you are in a bad situation, I will be always a friend for you. And next, I can be a Paul by saying please and thanks to you. Always, when we say please, if someone doesn't talk with us, then we say please talk with me. Or if we want to get anything, so then at the time we say please give me that. So, and if they give or if they make friendship with us now, we will say thank you. In the same way, he is also telling that I can be a Paul by saying always please and thank you for you, and I can be a Paul when no one wants to. I will be your friend when no one wants you. See, here everyone are playing in the picture, but she is sitting alone, and he is telling that I will be a friend for you when no one wants to play with you. I will be there with you when no one wants to play with you. And I can be a Paul every single day, all the day. Single day means throughout the day, I will be a friend for you, and I can be a Paul. What do you say? And he's telling that I can be a Paul. What do you say? So, this is all about a story about friendship. Okay, shall we see one more time about the poem? Yes, I'm going to read for you again. So, you just see what is that. I can be a Paul by smiling at you. I can be a Paul when you feel blue. I can be a Paul who is honest and kind. I can be a Paul when you are in blind. I can be a Paul by saying please and thank you. I can be a Paul when no one wants to. I can be a Paul every single day. I can be a Paul. What do you say? Yes, he is asking that I will be there for you at all the time. So, what do you say? What generally you say? Yes, we will also with a friendship. And here are the meanings for you. That is, Paul means a friend, and feeling blue means feeling bad, feeling bad, and in a blind means here with a bad situations. Okay, I hope that you understand the poem all about. Okay, understood the poem? Very nice poem, right? Okay, that's all the end of our session today. Okay, see you in the next further class. Do the worksheets, what I am going to assign for you, that all the things you have to do. Okay, children, see you in the next class. Bye bye. Until then.